So what happens if you get declined for the loan? What does that mean? Does it go someplace and you get a scarlet letter against your name? Not really. So if you wind up not being able to have an approval to purchase right now, what we want to do is put you on a path for home ownership in the near future. So what does it look like for you? Do we need to get your credit scores improved? So that might mean that we pay off some collections, that we do some tweaks to your credit. Maybe you have some credit cards that you need to pay down the balances a little bit or something. Maybe there's some recent late payments, and so we need to wait until at least 12 months has passed, maybe on your student loans or on your auto loan. If it's an income issue, let's have a conversation about how we can show income to a way where we can get you pre-qualified so you can purchase. But when you get declined, it's not like you're out there someplace and somebody has a scarlet letter against your name. It's not like you can't apply again very shortly. There was somebody who applied 3 months ago, and we worked on her credit. It was below where she could get an FHA loan approval. We created a custom plan for her, and now she's pre-approved and she's shopping for her first home. So if you get declined, it's not the end of the world. Let's put together a plan, though, so that we can turn that into an approval in the very near future.